Mr. Satyanarayana, you have been involved with all of these para athletes for a long, long time, and you have so much pedigree. People are talking about 10 medals. Medals have already started coming. We have seen multiple medals already from Bhavina, from Vinod. So it is clearly going to be a very good games for India. What is your estimation? Can we actually say, realistically say, double digits, 12 medals, etc., etc.? What is your estimation? And give me a real sense what you are thinking.
मुजम्मल जी, मेडल हम लोग क्या बोल रहा है, रियल में कम बोल रहा है. See, you know, your work athletics is working in the statistics, not on the anything on the like team games. हमारा टीम ऐसा ऐसा नहीं है. हमारा पास स्टैटिस्टिक्स है एथलेटिक्स में. अगेन शूटिंग में भी स्टैटिस्टिक्स है. बैडमिंटन में also our athletes are in the statistics. What your figure you are saying that more than that will go, not less than that. Yes, even last Rio Paralympic Games, I given for the committed for 3 medal, but you are one of the 4 medal. How unexpected medal you have come? The Deepa Malik medal you are not expected on the Rio Paralympic Games. Deepa Malik medal has come. Like same time, this time is a more medal, not less medal. This is definitely there is medal will be more. What you are saying the figure, that not less, there will be more only. Our Chief Minister Mr. Gulshan Singh, also Secretary General, you are not working from last 1 week or 1 month. Last 2 years, you are knowing which athlete, World Championship, you are won the medal of 11 medal. When the 11 medal is coming in athletics, you are saying on the less, according to the World Championship. Definitely will win a more medal.
विनोद जी, पहला तो मेनी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस. आपके साथ मेरा पहले भी बात हुआ है और उस दिन में मैंने आपसे कहा था कि आप प्रेशर फील कर रहे हो कि इसको अपॉर्चुनिटी की तरह देख रहे हो, और मुझे आपका एटीट्यूड उस दिन भी बहुत अच्छा लगा था जिस दिन आपका क्लासिफिकेशन कंफर्म्ड हो गया था. आज आपने पूरा देश को प्राउड कर दिया है. वेरी वेल डन. आपको क्या दोबारा वही क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ, आप क्या प्रेशर में थे, आप इसको अपॉर्चुनिटी के नाते देख रहे थे, कैसे आप इसको ट्रीट कर रहे थे, मुझे वो बताइए.
नहीं सर, प्रेशर नहीं लगता. प्रेशर जैसे मेरी क्लास थी, आज सत्यनारायण जी मेरे जो कोच हैं वो मेरे साथ थे जिस टाइम मेरी क्लास में कुछ भी हो सकता था. मतलब है ऊपर नीचे अगर चेंज होती तो शायद पार्टिसिपेट भी ना कर पाते. बट ऐसा है कि उस टाइम पे भी मैं अपने माइंड में एक ही चीज थी, जो भी होगा अच्छा ही होगा, जो भी होगा अच्छा ही होगा. यही मेरे कोच ने मेरे को सिखाया है. और हमें अपने देश के लिए मेडल लेके जाएंगे सर, तो ऑटोमेटिक सर बहुत मोटिवेट भी होता है, अच्छा भी लगता है. ऐसा नहीं है कि, और फिर ऊपर से सर आप लोगों का प्यार मिल रहा है, वो बहुत बड़ी बात होती है सर, बहुत ज्यादा. और एक सर हमारी कंट्री का भी और हमारा भी नाम आएगा सर.
सो दीपा जी, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग मी. मेडल तो एक के बाद एक. नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स डे कांट बी अ बेटर डे. आई मीन, इफ आई सी द वे the event has started, if I see the way Paralympics is going, all our estimations of 12 medals etc. should come true. More medals should come true. Your thoughts, you must be delighted. I saw you at the stadium from day one inspiring the athletes. Great to see a former medalist being there charging the athletes up. Terrific work. Your first reaction on how things are going?
Definitely very, very elated about Vinod's medal. Morning we had Bhavina and just now Vinod, and definitely many more medals are going to come. Of course, at the main Olympic stadium, I was in the Paralympic lounge gallery, and I was really missing being an athlete and sit with the athletes. But yes, even from up there, I was shouting and I was screaming on top of my voice because I know what it means to win a medal, and I know what is the feeling that comes from within. As a president, it has been a lot of responsibility during the COVID times to keep the morale high of the athletes, to all these unprecedented times. But yes, regular communication, and especially Vinod, from day one he started his sports. He has been in touch with me, and I feel very fortunate that when you can inspire one person to play sports and that person moves on and goes on and wins a medal, personally, on an individual basis, as an administrator, official in the PCI, and as an athlete, it's a moment of sheer joy and pride for me. Totally elated and very happy.